Okay, once again, proof there's something to do in Key West besides go to the bar. We're at the Truman Waterfront Park, and we're on the Healthbeat fitness trail. We are here. We're gonna do some ab crunches and leg lifts at station number 1. Looks pretty hard. There it is. Ab crunch and leg lift. I'm not sure how, oh, I see. I'll go ahead and have Crystal film me while I demonstrate.
Why did it just shut off?
Here, it's not off. Let me turn the... All you gotta do is touch it, and then you can see what it's doing. It saves the screen. Okay. Okay. That's how you do it.
No.
Okay. And then leg lifts is probably more my style. You want to see my leg lifts?
Okay.
Is that, am I doing it like the picture? It's harder if you do 2 at a time. Okay. Station number 1 complete. You want to be filmed? You don't want to be filmed? Okay, we're going to station number 2. We'll be back in a flash. Okay, we're at station number 2. I'm gonna do some hopping and jumping. Ready?
Yeah, do you know how?
Well, they went like this on the picture. And then what? It shows them moving.
Yeah.
One good thing, I read the instructions. This is designed for people under 300 pounds.
Are you riding a Honda?
Yeah. Hang on, I'm gonna jump to this one.
Oh, Jesus.
Like I better just go like that.
Yeah, that's pretty good. You don't want to be jumping shit at our age.
Okay. I think that's it. Okay. One good thing about not being at the bar, you can watch the ships go by while you're exercising. Okay, I'm at station number 3, and it's to check your balance. Looks like Crystal has some fancy footwork. Let's see them feet. Look at this. Perfect balance. She didn't even grab the rail, look. Okay, there's how you do it. Now it's my turn.
Okay.
What's the idea? You just walk them without touching the rail.
No, you can do it with the rail. It says to use the rail.
I don't want the rail.
Okay.
That's all you have to do. This is my kind of exercise. Ooh, I almost had to grab the rail. It shows you grabbing the rail.
I know it does. I said.
Okay. All right. We got to go to the next station, which is closer to the cruise ship. We're at station 4 at Key West Fitness Center. What's that called? An assisted row or push-up. That's a pull-up.
That's a pull.
Okay.
This
And it's real springy here on your feet. There's your push-ups. Look at that. Crystal's a pro. What's that one then?
That's if you're in between,
Taller.
I guess. I
Okay, it's my turn.
don't- Okay.
Here goes. See if I can do a push-up. I can.
Your butt's sticking up higher.
That's okay. Now this might be a challenge.
No, it ain't. That's pretty easy.
I don't know about that.
Put your feet out here.
Hang on. I don't want my belly popping out. And then what?
Pull yourself up.
That's it. I can do that.
You can do that all day.
I should move down here.
To the station?
Yeah,
Okay.
because you can exercise and then you can watch goofballs, tourists flying their, what are them, parasails? Okay, that was number 4, and we're walking the trail to number 5. Crystal's getting way ahead of me. This is what called pull up or the dip. Should work perfect for me. Look at that boat hauling ass in the background.
You have to pull yourself up.
Okay, let's see if you can do one.
I used to be able to. I can't
Okay,
anymore.
try chin up the other way.
It's too weak.
Other way.
What?
Turn your wrist the other
I
way.
don't want to do
There you go. Let's see.
I can barely reach it.
Let's see if you can lift.
Up.
Crystal's foot are still on the ground. Okay, my turn. Okay, let's see how high my feet can get off the ground. Ready? It's my shoulder.
Yeah, it's not as easy
I
as
got a
it
bad
looks.
shoulder.
Yeah, so do I. I got 2 bad
Okay, here
ones
goes chin up. Ready?
from lifting railroad ties
Did it.
my
Okay.
entire life.
How about the dip? Oh, I like this. You can help. I do.
And your feet are still on the ground. See the picture? Look.
It's assisted. Yeah, I don't think I can do this one. Okay, let me show them how it's supposed to be done. See, you're supposed to be able to pick your feet up, which I wasn't able to do that. And that is out of the question. Okay, that's more my speed over there. The bench with the cover. Here we are at the Truman Waterfront Park, station number 6.
Oh, this.
What is it? This looks like I may be able to do this. You got to do the twist. Oh, cool. Yeah, I can definitely do that one. This is station 6. It's called the Healthbeat stretch.
You want your feet going the other way?
Yep. Look at them. Look at that moves. Crystal's got the best moves around.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Let's see if you can do that one. Okay, the feet are still on the ground. You're not a true monkey unless you can get your feet off the ground.
I can't.
Okay, my turn.
Not anymore.
Okay, I'm over here. Now what's the deal? You just twist?
Yep.
Oh, baby, do the twist. Look, stuff's flying out of my pockets. I like this one.
That's
don't
good for
know.
your waist.
Them monkey bars just don't work like they used to.
Hun, you're not 10.
I want to live right up there. Show them up there.
He wants
that
to live up
patio.
there.
As soon as I hit the lottery.
So he can come down here and do this all day.
Watch the sunset too. Okay. This, I'm
Let's
sure, is
see.
the worst. can't even lift my arm that high.
I know it hurts, don't it?
Yeah.
That's what happens when you're not used to working.
That's a no-go. I'll show you how it's supposed to happen. Right there's how it's supposed to.
Yeah,
but
they're on their toes though. Look, they're not up here. They're down here.
I was stretching. I was able to complete the twist.
You can.
Okay, we're at the final station.
Okay,
Healthbeat Mobility.
we can do it.
It's a mobility practice. Okay, watch the fancy footwork. Ready? By golly, I give you an A+. Now it's my turn.
All right.
Don't forget to show them my fancy sandals.
I'm showing them.
They got memory foam in them, so I'm very springy. I think it should show you just turning around like this. That's how you should do this. Okay. The good news is I have my hand sanitizer. Yeah. The tourist boat got lost because it turned in here for some reason. What's the other boat doing?
Well, looks like they're
Glass
coming
bottom boat coming in. Okay. Okay, welcome to the Truman Waterfront Park. We're gonna walk the trail and let you know what's here. We already visited all the stations. There is the Truman Waterfront Park Healthbeat Fitness Trail. We are at the information station of the system. Each station has an exercise instruction and exercise apparatus. Do each exercise slowly and carefully according to your physical condition and ability. All exercises are for both men and women. Children should be 13 years of age. So you got the mobility station, the stretch station, the pull-up station, the assisted row pull-up push-up station, balance step station, plyometric station, and the ab crunch. Right now, we're on the walking phase of our visit. So this is number 7, which is the mobility station. And again, there's proof that there's things to do in Key West besides go to the bar. And one guy pointed out to me when I told him that, he said, yeah, but it's not as fun as going to the bar. Yes. And I think he's wrong there, because this is fun, especially this one. You can come over here and do the twist at station number 6.
I think that's a cool bench there too.
Yeah, I love that bench. This one was kind of hard because I never could get my feet off the ground. Look at the bird.
Hey birdie, what are you doing?
Can you get your feet off the ground? Oh, by God, she did. Look at that. Can you do a dip though?
I am a dip.
Can you do a dip?
I did half a dip.
Okay, that counts.
Can you skip?
I don't have my skipping shoes on. There's the proper skipping form. This is station 4, and I was able to do some pull-ups and push-ups. Where's the next station?
It is just past this where the guy was sitting.
Okay, all right, I see it. So lots of nice shade here.
Oh, this is a cool little tree.
Yeah. Next, we're going over there to Zachary Taylor, Fort Zachary. The only drawback to coming here, it's $5 an hour to park. But you know what? I'll give them $5 to do some exercising on their machines.
Well, would you rather
I love this one.
pay
Number 3 is the
balance
balance steps.
or pay $10 to go give them more money in a bar?
Well, depends on how thirsty I was.
Yeah, well, you can go get a glass of water somewhere. They got water fountains too.
Oh, there's how you do that one. I'm not quite that good. There you go. Now I know how to do that. I'll have to get it next trip. It doesn't?
It shows it being about 2 feet at a time.
Well,
I can
what's this one again? Oh, that was the one I did a failure at.
Why were you a failure?
Ab crunch. You never demonstrated.
You never asked me to.
Okay. We got to check your abs. Okay. You pass. That's 2 more than I did. No, I did more. I like this one the best, the leg lift. That's what you do, is the leg lift. Okay, we're onward. Hope you enjoyed my little worthless video, but it's proof that there's things to do in Key West besides go to the bar. That person there is getting a much better workout than I did. You get to watch a lot of boats here, that's for sure. Well, back to the parking lot.